What's up everyone, this is All I Talk is Tech, and I've got some bad news for you guys. So there are new rumors stating that Apple will be removing 3D Touch for the newer iPhones. Now, earlier this rumor was debunked when Apple stated in an email to a concerned iOS 13 user that 3D Touch was not working on their device. Apple later responded saying that 3D Touch will not be removed on existing iPhones, but they didn't give anything after that. So it's recently been found out that Apple has cut production with the supply company that makes the 3D Touch capability possible on the iPhone home screens. And this actually makes sense because if you notice in iOS 13, you get 3D Touch actions on non-3D Touch devices. So this means that Apple can have the same result for a cheaper price, and so Apple will definitely do that. Unfortunately, that is the case. Now, something I just want to mention is that a lot of people thought Apple would be removing 3D Touch from devices that already have 3D Touch, and thankfully that is not the case because earlier that was a glitch and Apple has fixed it. But this is just for upcoming devices. They will not have the 3D Touch capability. So it might even be worth holding onto your older iPhone with 3D Touch just because that's an advantage that your older iPhone will have over the newer ones. The newer ones won't have 3D Touch. They'll have the same features, but they won't have that actual 3D Touch capability. So existing devices with 3D Touch are fine, but newer ones, they'll get the same treatment non-3D Touch devices have in iOS 13. So that's about it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, peace.